Everyone. Today we are going to start the pathogenesis of asthma. Steps of pathogenesis, that is sensitization and on re-exposure. Sensitization. The genetically predisposed individuals are sensitized against many environmental allergens. What are genetic predisposed individuals? These are those individuals which are prone to develop the strong helper 2 reactions against the environmental allergens. The allergen is taken by the genetic antigen presenting cells, that is macrophages and dendritic cells, that elicits the helper 2 T cells dominated response. This promotes the production of IgE by B cells. The IgE produced during sensitization coats the bronchial submucosal mast cells. The interleukin 5 secreted by helper 2 T cells and mast cells recruits eosinophils. Allergens and interleukin 3 stimulates the bronchial submucosal glands to secrete mucus. Second, on re-exposure. The allergens bind to IgE bound to bronchial submucosal mast cells, which activates the mast cells. The mast cells releases bronchial constrictor from the granules. The mast cells releases preformed mediators, produces cytokines, which are responsible for the early phase and the late phase. Now discuss early phase and late phase. In early phase, it is characterized by the bronchoconstriction, that is asthma, prostaglandin D2, leukotrienes, and reflux vagal nerve stimulation. Second is increased mucus production. Third, vasodilation with increased vascular permeability, which causes edema. These are produced either directly by the mediators released from the mast cells or through stimulation of vagal receptor in the subepithelium. Late phase is characterized by two features, that is inflammation and airway remodeling. Now, as we can see in the diagram, in the first diagram, that is part A, it is a sensitization. The inhaled allergen is taken up by the antigen presenting cells, that is macrophage dendritic cells, that elicits the helper 2 T cells dominated response favoring the IgE production and eosinophil recruitment. IgE bodies and eosinophil recruitment, which increases the mucus release. Now, in figure B, that is on re-exposure to antigen, they bind to IgE bodies on the mast cells and releases preformed mediator from the mast cell. These mediator either directly or indirectly through vagal nerve. This is the vagal nerve, which produces bronchospasm, increased vascular permeability, and mucus production. Thank you everyone. That's all for the